Here's how to get a private server and play Steal a Brainrot in Roblox. First of all, you need to go ahead and search for the game Steal a Brainrot. For that, you need to go to roblox.com, log into your account, use the search bar in the top, and simply write Steal a Brainrot and go to the game section. Or you can also do it in your Roblox application. Now tap on this user icon over here, and you'll get three different options of invite connections, create a private server, or join connections. Tap on create private server. Remember that you'll need 79 Robux to do so. By clicking on create private server, you'll get the option to enter your name for your server. Note that it costs 79 Robux per month. Then click on subscribe to create the server. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner and select configure to manage your server settings. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.